All right, hey now, it's time for a little quick guitar lesson. Recording this for anybody that wants to watch it, but primarily for one of my students who we couldn't get together this week, and I'd promised him that we would do this. It's what we call a blues pipeline. Now, it's in E, and what you're doing is you're usually portions of the blues scale. Basically, what you can see is there's tab down below there that kind of tells you what to do. You're going to be playing the open E string and letting it ring out, and placing your first finger on the B on the A string, second fret, and then you're going to use your third finger for the C sharp, which is the fourth fret on the A string. So you can play it a number of ways, but you can play so it's kind of like Happy Trails. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Whatever. But what's a little bit more fun for me, and what I like to do, is play both the E and A strings together. And you're down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E. Then you move that whole pattern up to where you're playing the A string and the D string, but now your first finger is on the E on the D string, and then going to the F sharp. Then I'm sorry, I kind of went off a little bit there, but what you can do, man, is you can play around with that and have a good time. Use whatever patterns you want, and just pick and grin, dude. So that should get the student who couldn't make the lesson going for the remainder of the week, in addition to the other stuff that we've been working on, and you know what that is. Your chords and getting from one chord to the next, along with the metronome. You also want to play this with a metronome, and you start it, I'd say, about 80 beats per minute. And then, slowly speed up every day a little bit, whereas you feel comfortable and you can play it evenly with the metronome. So anyway, that's it. That's the new tidbits for this week. Continue to work on your other stuff, and I will see you later this week. And for those of you that aren't the guy I'm talking to, hope you have a great week as well. On occasion, I will upload more of these as I see fit.